Here we are going to talk about identifiers. An identifier is a name to identify a class, variable, function, or any other user-defined item. An identifier is a string of alphanumeric characters that begin with a alphabetic character or an underscore character that are used to represent various programming elements. Every programming language have different rules for the construction of identifiers. So here are the rules for the identifiers in Python. The first character in an identifier must be an alphabet or an underscore. Digits can be used, but it should not start with it. That means you can use digits in your identifier, but it should not start with it. Commas or blank spaces are not allowed. It cannot contain any special character except an underscore. And the main important rule is that it must not be a keyword. So here is an example of identifier. So let me rub this. Here I am making a variable which will store a value. Now let's see an example of identifiers. So here I am creating a variable with the name A, and I am storing a value of 45 in it. And I am printing it on a screen by using a print function and passing the variable in it. This variable, while naming this variable, I have followed the rules which are there in Python for naming a identifier. So let's save it and run it. So here it is, it gives me the output. Now I will name it incorrectly. The first rule is the first character in an identifier must be an alphabet or an underscore. So now let me use a digit. Okay, I use 8, then I'll go for an alphabet. And it shows me in this red color, that means it is not a valid identifier. Now let me pass it here and let's save it and run it. It says invalid syntax. Let's try another rule, that commas or blank spaces are not allowed. Let's use a comma or blank space, and I use here a B. So I have used a space here to name an identifier which is not valid actually, and I am passing it here. Now let's see what happens. And again it says invalid syntax. And like these, all the rules are valid, and you need to follow the rules while constructing a identifier. That's how identifier works. Thank you.